Good morning here on the beautiful Murray, that is, river, and just up here below Yarrawonga for a bit of work at my parents' place, but instead of picking off the bank, because I don't have my boat here, up here, my dad said me to grab his boat, which I'm on now. So we're going to see how we go. We're going to throw a bit of top water at this first light. Got a bit of first light fishing to do. Got maybe probably until 9:30 or so before I have to pack up and get on the tools. So see how we go. Got the Honda purring. Let's go. Got you now, got you now, got you now. Oh, how's that? Oh yeah. Oh boy. Get here, get here. Oh yeah. Yeah boy. Oh, yeah boy. Whew. Get me some of that. How was that bite? Seriously, we're just going to get the hooks out of this bad boy. Going to get him swimming, get him back on his way as quick as we can. You. No giant, but definitely reward for effort. This has been a couple of quiet mornings, just throwing big surface lures. Finally got a bite just on the end of a willow that you can see behind me, just on the face of it, leading into the deep water. This is very risky, no pliers. Because of that. Always supporting his weight. He's not a monster fish, but he's still a fish that has body bait behind him. That beautiful fish. Look at that. Just beautiful. Send him back in his element. Oh, look at that. Just beautiful, just see that fish swim away. Measured 81. Not a monster fish, but hey, it's been a great encouragement. Bite's been rather hard. The water's pretty dirty. It is cold. I think the water temperature was only 11 degrees. And yeah, I just thought these fish might be suspended under the willows. with before the first light. So I'm seeing a lot of birds sitting on the tips of the trees and ducks swimming past it. I thought that I'm sure that one of those birds dips down too far into the water, or the duck's been there at the wrong place at the wrong time, and surely enough gets eaten. Saying that like he missed it that first time, I thought it was done, he was gone. Then just off the rod tip, just went crack. Put up a good account for himself under the boat, had me bend it over. Bent over, but nonetheless, we've got a little bit of time before the sun completely gets up, and we've still got some pockets that I want to fish, so gonna get back to it. Good country, Australia.
I'm headed to the bottom of the bottle. I've been drowning, I've been floating away. Every other dollar that I got in bed, I probably went and pissed it away. I ain't fucking okay, I ain't liking it, babe. I don't even wanna talk, I'm just smoking my haze. I've been stuck in my ways, I've been stuck here for days. I've been staring at the clock as the radio plays. I'm enslaved. Yeah, rolling another, I'm stuck in my seat from the whole control of my speech. Yeah, I've been trying to get off this couch for a minute and a whole damn week. No kidding, I'm skinny, I cannot eat. Got a million motherfuckers that depend on me. Yeah, every friend in my family, from a girl, every fan I meet myself. I'm too on till I'm too off. Come down, make new thoughts, like jumping off of that rooftop. Whole life never when I knew not to make moves based on my mood drops. Like who's lost? Like who's lost? It's yo, steadily killing me, running my brain full of shame. I don't wanna lose it. Full of stage, trying to find my pain. See the sun coming out of that rain. My day really not game. I'ma never slow down, I'ma never behave. Stuck inside this prison, inside this cage. It's taking over. Yeah, I'm a slave for you.
Yeah guys, just got off the water here and just pulled the boat out and just sorting out my gear for the ride home, but I just thought I'd quickly show you the rod and reel and lure that was used. I do get a few comments in my previous videos asking a bit more in depth of what was used to catch that fish, or what was used in that session. And in this case I was using a 300 sized bait caster reel. I've got 70-pound braid on there to a 60-pound leader, purely because I am chasing a much better fish, better class of fish. And also you've got the current to contend with, as well as some tight structure, but I run 70-pound braid. You can get away with your 40 and 50, but I run the 70 just because of the quality that it is. It actually is a finer diameter. It is probably the equivalent of a 50-pound braid that most of you use. But no, just a fluorocarbon leader. I've got just over a rod and a half length of that, purely because some of these fish can bury you down deep into the trees, and yeah, you need to get around them and try and pull them out somehow, but it gives you a little bit of protection too, because it is that hard wearing fluorocarbon. And yeah, that just come on a Coolabung cod cracker. I've upgraded the hooks and rings. See these big owner hooks, sticky, sharp. And yeah, the rod is it's got a bit of a softer tip to it, but it's also got plenty of backbone on this bottom section here. Plenty of low end power to lift those fish up from the deep. I also did throw the same rod again, just throwing a diver. I did throw this around a fair bit for nothing, but you right there, Skippy? Just running a mark. But oh, sticky sharp. But yeah, no, nonetheless, just gonna wrap it up here. Thanks Dad for letting me borrow your boat, and till next time guys, chase your dreams.
I'm just smoking my haze. I've been stuck in my ways, I've been stuck here for days. I've been staring at the clock as the radio plays. I'm enslaved. Yeah, rolling another, I'm stuck in my seat from the whole control of my speech. Yeah, I've been trying to get off this couch for a minute and a whole damn week. No kidding, I'm skinny, I cannot eat. Got a million motherfuckers that depend on me. Yeah, every friend in my family, from a girl, every fan I meet myself. I'm too on till I'm too off. Come down, make new thoughts, like jumping off the